A is for airplane. Just remember, folks, the airplane is always above ground, and the ground is below the airplane. So if you think airplanes fly sideways or upside down or inverted, I think some of them are. Anyways, well, you have to think about something. Remember, critically think. Airplane. Say it slow, folks. Airplane. It's not an air curve. Woo. And by the way, if these videos bother you, I would highly suggest getting a sense of humor. And, there is something wrong with you, by the way. And don't pretend that other people are hating these cartoon videos because they bother you personally. Remember, be honest with me and I'll be honest with you. If you want to lie to me, I will lie to you. But only if you're busy. Busy! He thinks he's busy!